Hello students, this is my 7th lecture on chapter light, reflection and refraction. So in this part we will be studying about image formation by convex lens. So in my previous lecture I have discussed about refraction by spherical lenses, and there are several methods how we will draw a ray diagram. So based on those those methods, I will be discussing here about image formation by convex lens. So my first is when the object is at infinity. So here we can see that my object is at infinity, means very much far away from the lens. So when my object is at infinity, so rays will come from that object which is placed at infinity, and after refraction it will meet at focus f2. So does all the rays have meet at the focus f2, and so my image will be formed in this point. So মই কি কৰিছোঁ, ফাৰ্ষ্ট অবজেক্টটো ৰাখিছোঁ ইনফিনিটিত. চ' ইনফিনিটিৰ পৰা অবজেক্টৰ পৰা যিখিনি ৰে আহিছে সেই ৰেখিনি পেৰেলেল টু প্ৰিন্সিপাল এক্সিছ আহিছে, আহি এই লেন্সখনত ৰিফ্লেকশ্যন হৈছে। ৰিফ্ৰেকশ্যন হোৱাৰ পিছত ৰেকেইডাল এটা পইণ্টত মিট কৰিছে। চ' মোৰ ইমেজটো ক'ত ফৰ্ম হ'ব? এট ফ'কাছ f2. So what will be my position of the image? My image will form at the focus f2. What is its size? By looking at this image formation, we can say that the size of the image will be very small, or I can say it to be a point sized image. What will be the nature? The nature of this image will be real and inverted image. So next is when the object is placed beyond C1, means center of curvature. So this is my lens, and here my object is placed in between infinity and center of curvature, that is beyond C1. So this is my object. One of the ray will go parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis. So this ray is going parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the focus f2 and it will go like this. Another ray will go direct through the optical center without any deviation. So these two rays after refraction will meet at point A dash. So my image will be this A dash B dash. So where my image has formed, it has formed in between the focus f2 and c2. So my position of the image is between f2 and c2. That means second focus and second center of curvature. So what is the size of my image? The size, it may look similar, but the size is little smaller than the object. Size to অলপ একে দেখাত একে হ'ব পাৰে মই আকোতে, কিন্তু সাইজটো এই ইমেজ অবজেক্টটোতকে ইমেজৰ সাইজটো সৰু হ'ব. So the nature of the image will be real and inverted. So we can see that my image is inverted. That's my nature of the image will be real and inverted. Thirdly, when object is at center of curvature. So this is my object. It is at the center of curvature C1. AB is my object. So similarly, a ray parallel to principal axis will suffer refraction at this lens and will pass through the focus f2. Another ray will pass through the optical center without any deviation. So these two rays will meet here, and this is nothing but the center of curvature on the second side. So if an object is placed at the center of curvature on one side, the image will be formed at the center of curvature on another side. Thus AB, A dash B dash will be my image of AB. So what will be the size? The size of A dash B dash will be equal to the size of the object. So here I have written what is the position of the image? Position of the image, it is at C2, means the second center of curvature. What is the size of the image? It is same as the object, and the nature is real and inverted. My fourth point is when object is between focus and center of curvature. This is my object. It is in between this center of curvature and focus. So similarly, ray parallel to principal axis will suffer refraction at this lens and will pass through the focus and will go like this. Another ray will pass through the optical center without any deviation, and these two rays will meet at a point A dash. So my image will form at A dash B dash. So where have my image formed? My image has formed beyond C2, means between center of curvature and infinity. So if my image is in between center of curvature and object is in between center of curvature and focus, then my image will be between center of curvature and infinity, that is beyond C2. And looking at this image, we can say that my image is much larger than the object size, and it is real and inverted. So this is the position of the image is beyond C2, size of the image is enlarged, and the nature of the image is real and inverted. The fifth one is when object is at focus. So here my object is at focus. A ray parallel to principal axis has suffered refraction at this lens and goes through the focus. Another ray will pass through the optical center. Another ray will pass through the optical center without any deviation. So if I extend this ray, my image will be formed somewhere very much far away from the lens. If I extend this with dotted line, so my image will form somewhere which will be very much far away from the lens and in the same side where my object is there. So looking at this, I can say that the position of the image is at infinity, means it will form at very much far away from the lens. The size will be very much large. This is my object and the size will be very much larger than the object size. And what will be the nature? It will be virtual. Oh, sorry, let me repeat this again. This is the object placed at the focus. So ray has gone like this, and after refraction it passes through second focus. Another ray will pass through this without deviated. So these two rays will meet somewhere at infinity, means these two rays are going like this and they will meet somewhere at infinity. So my image will be at infinity and image will be very large compared to the object size, and it will form behind the mirror, so the image will be real and inverted. Now the sixth one is when object is between F1 and O, means focus and optical center. So when my object is at focus, ray will go through this ray will go parallel to the principal axis, suffer refraction and will pass through the second focus. Another ray will go through the optical center without any deviation. Now if we extend this ray, these two rays will meet somewhere here. So this is my image, and this type of image is nothing but a virtual image. So this was my object and this is my image. By looking at the image, I can say that my image is very much enlarged and and the position of the image is between infinity and center of curvature and in the same side of the object. And what will be the nature of the image? It will be virtual and erect. So this was my 7th lecture. Thank you.